How do I prevent the welcome screen lock screen from appearing after idling in Windows 8? I'm running Windows 8 Enterprise x64, RTM, and I cannot figure out how to disable the lock screen that appears after the computer has been idle for 10 to 15 minutes. I've tried the following, and none of them work. 1. Disabling screensaver display log-on screen option. 2. Disabling the power plan require a password setting. 3. Changing the lock screen policy. None of these disable the lock screen, it still appears after the 15th of October minutes. The only setting that has any effect at all is changing the policy, number 3 above, but it merely disables the welcome screen image, the one that you click to drag type on to get to the lock screen. But you still end up at the lock screen and have to re-enter your password. Short of disabling the user login completely, is there any way to disable the lock on idle setting in Windows 8?
After hours of frustration trying to figure this out, I finally discovered the solution. The problem seems to stem from the fact that I'm using Windows 8 Enterprise. At least I think. I'm not sure why else these obvious solutions weren't working. Apparently, by default Windows 8 Enterprise's security settings disable or override all of the solutions mentioned in the other responses and original question. Here's the solution. Go to and choose this item in the list on the left. Once you reset your security settings and reboot, you will be able to disable the lock screen. Disclaimer: I have no idea what other settings are changed by clicking Reset Security Settings, but this problem was enough of an annoyance for me that I wasn't concerned. Your mileage may vary. Source: this URL.
Hopefully, the following setting will apply both when waking from sleep and from with the idle lock. Maybe not, though. I don't have Enterprise to test it. That is a big problem though. Microsoft should do something about it. Try using Windows 8's new settings menu. Click the Users button, then the button that says, any user that has a password must enter it when waking this PC.
For Windows 8 Pro the correct solution is the following. The above Windows 8 Pro solution is not working for me. Control panel dash, system and security dash, power options dash, require a password on wake up. And in the next screen click, change settings that are currently unavailable dash, don't require a password dash, save changes.
This may help you to keep your computer awake all the time. So, there will be no idle time and apparently no lock screen.
If the group policy editor did not help, I think the only way out is to completely disable password entry at logon. Type netplis at the start screen, and launch the app that comes up. Select your user account and uncheck users must enter a username and password to use this computer. You'll be prompted to enter your password twice. Now just restart and you should be both password and lock screen free.
Isn't